Built on a lot donated by M.A. Dooley with proceeds from Herman Seeley's German theater performances, the first schoolroom in the New Braunfels Academy was built here in 1855. City Alderman in 1857 appointed Seeley along with 4 other citizens to lobby the Texas legislature to allow New Braunfels to levy special taxes in support of the Academy. Their efforts were successful, and in 1858, New Braunfels became the first city in the state of Texas to pay for its schools with public funds. Textbooks were both in German and English, while interestingly enough, Seeley continued to teach at the Academy on and off for most of his life, at times even taking a reduced salary when funds were tight. Built in 1913 to replace the old Academy, this building was designed by architects C.B. Suter and Alistair Shand and built by Adolph F. Miller. Reflecting influences of the Prairie School style, this building features corbelled brick and stone detail, a broad 1-story entry porch, and windows with fine mutton detail in the upper sashes. In 1916, with a unit of the U.S. Army, future New Braunfels High Band director Victor Cass camped on a ranch overlooking Landa Park for the purpose of fighting back Mexican revolutionary Pancho Villa. With concrete floors and padded walls, the band didn't disturb other classes. Wooden instruments like the flute piccolo were not uncommon at the time. Cass's love of music caused him to begin a strings program at Carl Schultz Elementary, and for the community, he even launched the New Braunfels Civic Orchestra. He passed away in 1977, but his song will never fade away. Our comradeship will never forget those glory days of yore. The blue and white for truth and light shall live forevermore.